Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best welders for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Forney Easyweld 100 Street Stick Machine. Forney has been able to make a welder that ticks all the right boxes on what makes the easiest welder for beginners. It's exceptionally easy to use, and you'll be able to get started straight away. The instructions are clear, but make sure that you read them before you begin so you're fully informed on what you're doing. As well as being easy to use, this welder is exceptionally light. At a little under 10 pounds, it will be very easy to carry wherever you need to weld. With that low weight, we didn't expect much performance, but that's where we were proved wrong. It's perfect for a wide range of small jobs, and you'll find yourself using this welder time and time again. The electrode and ground clamp are going to allow you to weld as soon as this unit arrives with a high level of confidence with your safety in mind. The controls are easy to use, and you can plug this welder in any home outlet. It doesn't have the highest level of capability, but you'd expect that from a beginner model as sometimes it can run a little too cold for the bigger jobs. What you do get here is a smooth arc that is going to leave you with exceptional welds. As your first welder, this is brilliant. It can either serve as a simple welder for those day-to-day tasks or your route to becoming a welding professional and eventually moving on to bigger and more powerful machines. Moving on at number 4, we have the Campbell Hausfeld 115 volts arc stick welder. Most household outlets are going to have a maximum power output of 115 volts, which is why a lot of these welders will have that as their input voltage. Higher than this, and you'd have to use a different power source. This model is a bit heavier than the previous one that we looked at, but with the wide handle it has, it'll still be highly portable. The housing also has a good level of build quality, and, therefore, you're not going to worry about damaging it. 2 different heat settings will allow you to weld with confidence. However, the rod clamp could be a bit tighter to let you use bigger electrodes. What helps to make this such a brilliant welder for beginners is the amount of help that the manufacturer gives to you. Not only the instructions are very informative and easy to follow, but there is also a worksheet for you to reference. All of this comes at the unbelievable price, which helps to make it the best stick welder for beginners who are on a budget. It's a perfect introduction into welding, and even if you move on to a bigger machine, you'll probably still go back to this for your smaller jobs. At number 3, we have the Hobart Handler 140. If you are new to the world of welding but still want to use the highest quality equipment, there is an ideal model for you. Hobart has been able to make the best MIG welder for beginners. It is quite heavy at 57 pounds, but that's not much of a surprise with its solid construction. It's a welder that was built to last, and you'll find yourself using this for many years. That durability is part of the reasons it's worth its high price. The amount of control you have over this welder is excellent. It has 5 different voltage settings and also allows you to choose the speed that the wire is fed through. It means you get the exact results you are looking for. The setup is still fairly simple despite this one being a heavy-duty welder. It only has a duty cycle of 20%, but with it being able to work so quickly, that's not going to be much of a problem. It is able to get through more work than most other beginner welders. We think this welder is perfect, and that is echoed with the user reviews it has. You may be a little wary about paying a high price for a beginner welder, but it's well worth the money. The impressive arc stability will have you making perfect welds in no time. At number 2, we have the Everlast Power ARC 140 ST. In terms of performance, this is one of the most impressive welders around. It has an input voltage of up to 240 V and can provide power up to 140 amps, which is impressive for such an affordable model. These machines work at a very high temperature and are expected to get through a lot of work. Due to this, they need to be very well made. The problem with many beginner welders is that they just aren't made to a high enough standard to cope with these stresses. In this list, we've only looked at high-quality models, but this one is especially impressive with its high-quality construction. It has immense durability, and that is backed by the 5-year warranty it has. The company is called Everlast, and that seems quite apt. It weighs nearly 25 pounds, which is neither light nor heavy, but it does come in a compact size, making it easy to use almost anywhere. An annoying feature is that it has only a strap handle. It's a surprisingly low-quality feature on an otherwise excellently made product. If you want to get high-quality welds, then this is also a great welder for that. It has marvelous arc stability to get the finish you want. It makes it ideal for those who care not just about the strength of the weld but also the aesthetics of it. Moreover, there is an auto hot start feature that allows you to operate it faster. And finally at number 1, we have the Hobart Stickmate 160 Ice Stick Welder. If you loved the look of the previous Hobart model but thought it was a little too pricey for your needs, then this is an excellent cheaper option. It has an input voltage of up to 240 V and a power rating of up to 160 amps. Therefore, it should be able to breeze through most light jobs. It's not heavy-duty like the other Hobart model we looked at, but it does have plenty of capability. An advantage of this model is that it's much lighter at only 15 pounds. It's another one that has a strap handle, but that's less of an issue with the low weight it has. This model is easy to carry and quite compact too. The build quality we see here is very high, and you'll be using this welder for years to come. There is a long warranty available if you needed that peace of mind, but this is a product that should be able to cope with the stresses and strains. Starting it is extremely easy, and you'll be able to get going straight away. The arc holds very well and ensures smooth and consistent welds. Hobart is a manufacturer you can trust, and that's seen here. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.